Okay, everyone, this is your Canva application. When you open Canva on your mobile device, this is the first page you're going to see. This is your home page on Canva that you're going to see. So, like I said, there are quite a lot of templates on Canva, and there are a lot of things that you can actually do with Canva. Do you understand? But what I just want you to understand, or what I just want you to know, is that your first time might not be perfect, your first trial might not be the best. But that does not mean that you should be discouraged or you should tell yourself that you cannot do it. No, you can actually do it. Just continue to practice, do your pre-work, and before you know it, you'll be designing nice designs with Canva. Do you understand? So let me just run through the interface of Canva and how the application looks like and how it runs. Then we can then proceed. So the first thing here is you see here, search. You can actually search for stuffs on Canva. That's the first thing you see here. Then if you check through, okay, let me delete. Now you can see, I thought I deleted. Now you can see this place scrolling, like these are, if you click on them, so this is the for you. If you click on social media, you can see presentations, video, marketing. You see a lot of things. And do you see that? So let's come to for you. Now these are suggestions that Canva is showing you, that all of these things are templates, basically templates, guys. Now your recent designs will show here. You can see that. Let's go back to home. So basically these are all the designs templates on Canva. Like there are a lot of them. Just scroll through. Now that we know this, now when you come here, this is your project. Everything that you've done, you find them here. Now this is Canva Pro. This is where you find it. Now this is menu where you can switch and every other thing like that.